Hi students, today we're going to do a May June 2023 IGCSE Maths question. Question number 4. Calculate the area of PQR. Okay. Area equals to half times height times base. Base. So the answer is 96 cm square. Easy. Let's move on to the next part. To find angle X, we can use SOHCAHTOA, right? And in this case, we need to find which is your opposite, your hypotenuse, and your adjacent. Okay, in this, we have your opposite and your adjacent, so you use this formula. And your x equals to 18.43. Next part is asking you to calculate the volume of this half cylinder. So firstly, we need to know volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Since it's half of a cylinder, it's half pi r square h. So we have to fill in the values that we know and calculate the answer for this question. So putting in the values from the picture, this is definitely your radius and this is your height. You get an answer of 622 cm cube. Next part of the question. Okay, they're giving you a rectangle with a circle inside with certain values and they want you to find the area of the shaded region. So to find the shaded region, we have to take the total big rectangle minus this square minus 3/4 of a circle and we'll be able to get the area of the shaded region. This is my working to find the total area. So the total is just 20 times 15 and you'll get 300 cm square. Next, I would find for the small square. Since the radius is 4, the length of the square is 4 cm cube. Sorry, I mean 4 cm. I'd get an area of 16 cm square for this square. The third thing I would do is calculate the area of 3/4 of this circle. Let me use a different color. And I get 37.7 cm square for this area. So to find the shaded region, we take 300 minus 16 minus 37.7. And you get an answer of 246.3 cm square. On to the next question. Calculate the perimeter of the shaded shape. So if we have a look at the shape, you have this line, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? Okay, let's not put in these values. Let's use real values. So this is literally 20 minus 4, 16. This is 20. This is 15 and this is 15 minus 4, which is 11. Next is to find 3/4 of the circumference. So 3/4 of a circumference is 3/4 times by 2 pi r. And in this case, r is 4. You get an answer of 18.85 cm. So you take this and you plus with the other values that you had just now. Total is 80.85 cm.